Create 3 new folders inside your Obsidian vault. One called Planning, one called Projects, and one called Resources. That's the entire folder structure you need to start planning your startup inside Obsidian. Open the File Explorer sidebar in your vault and create those 3 folders right now. The Planning folder will hold your business strategy, goals, and high-level plans. The Projects folder is for active initiatives and product development work, and the Resources folder will store your research, documents, templates, and reference materials. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Now let's build the actual notes that will bring this planning system to life. Inside your Planning folder, create a new note and name it Startup Planner. This note will be your main dashboard, the single page you return to every time you review or adjust your startup direction. Give it a top-level heading called Startup Planner, then add a section for Startup Overview, with lines for business name, mission, and vision. Below that, create sections for business goals, current priorities, product ideas, next milestones, and related projects. Use those dashes as placeholders where you can start typing your real information. This note is intentionally simple. It gives you a quick snapshot of where your business stands and what you're working toward. Inside the Planning folder, you can create additional notes whenever you need to document something important that doesn't fit on the dashboard. For example, you might want a dedicated note for your business plan, another for customer research, one for marketing strategy, and one for financial planning. Keeping each topic in its own note makes it much easier to update those pieces independently. And later we'll connect everything together with internal links so nothing gets lost or forgotten. Next, go into your Projects folder and create a note called Project Roadmap. This note will help you track what's actually happening in your startup. Structure it with an active project section, then a project information area where you can log individual project details like project, priority, status, and deadline. Add sections for upcoming tasks, completed projects, and a notes area at the bottom. Use this note to monitor everything that's in motion. As you launch new initiatives, you can create separate note files inside the Projects folder for each major effort. For instance, a note for building your MVP, another for your launch campaign, and one for fundraising. Each project note should include the objective, expected outcome, progress updates, key decisions made, and next actions. Keeping them separate means you can focus on one project at a time, while still seeing the big picture in your project roadmap. Now open your Resources folder and create a note called Resource Library. Give it sections for research, documents, templates, useful links, and notes. This is where you collect everything that supports your planning: market research reports, competitor analysis, business documents like pitch decks or financial models, planning templates and checklists, links to helpful articles or tools, and any other reference material. When you find something useful, drop it in here rather than leaving it scattered across your computer or browser bookmarks. Keeping resources organized now will save you massive time later when you need to revisit a key piece of research or find a template you used before. The real power of Obsidian for startup planning comes when you start connecting your notes with internal links. In your Startup Planner note, highlight the words Project Roadmap and type double square brackets around it to create a link. Do the same for Resource Library in your dashboard. Then inside your project roadmap, link back to the Startup Planner and to any project notes you've created. In your resource library, link to planning notes and project notes that reference any of those resources. Every link you add builds a web of connections that makes information instantly reachable. No more digging through folders or wondering where you wrote something down. You just click a link and you're there. To take this further, add properties to your notes. Properties are metadata fields that sit at the top of a note, and they're perfect for startup management. For any project note, add properties like status with values such as active, on hold, or complete, priority with high, medium, or low, category to tag it as product, marketing, finance, or operations, owner for who's responsible, target date for deadlines, and last updated so you know how current the information is. These properties make it easy to filter and sort your notes. You can even create a dashboard that shows every project with a status of active, sorted by priority. Incredibly useful for weekly check-ins. Tags give you another dimension of organization. Add tags like #startup, #product, #marketing, #finance, #research, and #planning to your notes. Unlike folders, a note can have multiple tags, so a market research note about your customer demographic could carry both #research and #marketing. Tags don't replace folders, they complement them by letting you slice across your vault in different ways. When you click on a tag, Obsidian shows you every note with that tag, regardless of which folder it lives in. Now let's put this all together into a simple workflow that you can start using today. First, define your business goals in the Startup Planner. Write down your mission, what you want to achieve this quarter, and your next milestone. Next, create projects in the project roadmap that support those goals. If your goal is to launch a beta by June, your project might be build and test MVP with a deadline of May 15th. Then collect the research and documents you need inside your resource library: competitor analysis, customer interviews, technical specifications. Finally, review your startup plan regularly. Every week, open your startup planner, check your project roadmap, update statuses, adjust priorities as your business evolves, and link any new resources you've gathered. This keeps your planning system alive and useful, not a static document you fill out once and ignore. As your startup grows, your Obsidian Vault grows with it. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. You can add new folders for customers, investors, or legal documents without breaking the structure you already have. Keep your startup planner as your home base. Maintain your project roadmap to track momentum, and treat your resource library as your collective memory for everything you learn along the way. Review weekly, link generously, and let your planning system support the decisions that move your business forward.